Welcome to another video. Today I want to show you how you can put basically everything behind glass just by using blending modes. So here is the final artwork. I just hide this. This is a gradient layer. Basically you can also use a full solid layer, but I took a very light gradient. This is just a little bit of blue, very dark. And the other side, it's a bit more blue. It's a bit darker. Basically, as I said, you can also take a solid color, doesn't matter. On top of this, to give a bit of depth, I used a lighter version of blue, as you can see here. And this is 100% opacity here. On the other side, zero opacity, the same color. This gives this little depth here in the middle. Maybe we can even drag this a bit. Well, voila. On top of that, I added a vector element. I put the link in the description. It's basically nothing else than a bubble. And this bubble is an Illustrator artwork. What we have to do first, we remove the background. By double-clicking on the artwork, you get to the other layers. Delete it, so we have this only left. And when you go to the isolation mode, you have to be careful not to delete the wrong layers. You can also control on the layer panel. However, what we do, we just copy that and drag it to our Photoshop artwork. It's based on the size of the document in Illustrator, how long this is going to take. So I just see that I took the shadow width. That's not what I want. So let's do it again. I first delete this shadow here and drag this to the Photoshop document. So that's basically that. However, is that what I already did? So we delete that. I added this vector bubble here on the top right corner. So then, what I did then, apart from this bubble I downloaded from FreePic, I also found this roses or flower bouquet, downloaded it. This is basically free to download. And in this case, it's not even necessary to open the Illustrator artwork. I could, if I would do it. So, but now I just take the flowers, the preview, because if you see the size of it is pretty much big. So 300 dpi, fine. We keep that off this work. So we just add it. We drag it basically from the Finder or from the Explorer in your artwork. That's what I did already. So I don't have to do it again because I have it here. So this was too fast. When I added it, the blending mode was normal. That's what it looked like. Looking really awful, I would say. But if you just change to screen, it gives that effect that the roses or the bouquet is behind this glass, behind or within this bubble. Very easy. So what I did then, I just added the same vector element of the bubble I already added at the start and changed the sides by Control T. And however, you can place those bubbles wherever you want. I added a skip star here. It's basically something like a reflection. That's a brush I have. Here we go. Different kinds of those they are quite cool. I added that here. You can vary if you want to add more, but for me this is definitely too much, so I kept them away. What I did at the final end, I added my signature. That's a brush tool. Let's go up here. Here we go. And so I like to have my signature as a brush, because then you're totally free where to place it and in which color. I will show you another video how you can do your own brushes. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.